And Mayor, here he comes.
Sam feels really good about his car. See what happens here for these last couple laps. Should be a great battle.
Yeah, it should be until we have another caution in a lap and a half. Oh, got a little wheel hopping. Hit him and a little wheel hop.
One car moving the 20 up the racetrack. There it is, Sam Mayer.
Sam Mayer.
Shoving inside of Eric Almirola. Going to be 7 laps to go, and they're side by side for the lead.
Side by side.
Gets his drive. Eric's still hanging on there, but I think Sam's got a good advantage here.
Eric's going to try to fade high.
Oh, caution's out.
Sam Mayer takes over the
Oh!
we get a caution.
We have a
10th of the night.
big wreck.
Huge damage. Jeremy Clements is there.
Clements already had damage. He already looked like a modified. Oh, the 28. Snyder.
That's a shame for Jeb. Obviously, they had a really fast car tonight. Got the points in both stages, and see what happened here to cause this.
Clements is modified, even more modified. I would not be shocked if we have a fight after this race.
Top right of the screen looks like Jeb was in the middle of 3 wide and lost a bit of drive on the exit. Some guys got stacked up from behind and just a lot of contact.
Oh, Roberto Tenno.
Jeb
God
was
damn it.
used up for a few laps, and the left rear looks cut. He might have had a cut left rear there off of 4, and you saw it. Yeah, I think he had a left rear down and slowed up and kind of got run over from behind. So just one of those things that just compound right on each other, and took a couple guys, involved in that wreck.
Okay, the 38 should be good. You can just cut off the hood.
Any front end left to get torn off.
He got tore up on the restart. He got tore up in that wreck, and unfortunate night for those guys, and unfortunate end for Jam, who was stringing together a pretty good run. All those drivers outside the top 20 when they got collected. Saw Burton climbing out of his car. Matt DiBenedetto drives away. He has plenty of damage on the 38.
Tell you what, we got Carson Quaffle in the top 5. Shane Van Gisbergen, P10. There's some really good runs for guys that do not have a lot of laps here in these cars.
Together, let's drive. I swear, they literally had I swear, they had the decals of Allgaier's car in the shop, and just were like, you know what? Let's make Chevy Truck Month.
This is more contact than I was maybe expecting with 10 to go. But it shows you how important it is to get track position in the lead.